In today's video, we're going to look at how to solve the integral of secant x. The integral of secant x is a classic type of problem in calculus that cannot be easily solved by our normal technique. If we tried use substitution or integration by parts, you realize it doesn't really apply to this question. You might think to change the format of secant x to the integral of 1 over cosine x dx. But again, it kind of presents the same type of challenge. It doesn't really simplify the question further. So what should we do in this case? So in this question, we're going to rewrite our integral in a slightly different format. So here we have the integral of secant x. So in here, we're going to time secant x by secant x plus tangent x over secant x plus tangent x dx. So in here, what's inside the parentheses is equal to 1. So we're not changing the value of our integral. It might seem a little not intuitive, but it sets up the problem for a very straightforward substitution. So for our next step, we want to expand the numerator, and it becomes integral of secant x squared plus secant x tangent x. On the denominator, we have secant x plus tangent x dx. And now we can use our u substitution. Let's set our u to be secant x plus tangent x. Then our du would be the derivative of the right side, which is secant x times tangent x plus the derivative of tangent x, which is secant x squared dx. So now we look at our function, we realize we can substitute our function by u and du. So this part on the bottom, which is going to be our u, and this part on the top, along with our dx, can be substituted by du, which make our integral a lot simpler to be 1 over u du. And we know the integral of 1 over u du is going to be ln of u, then plus c, plus a constant. Now we are almost done with the question. Our last step is to substitute back our u back to x, which we know ln of u would be ln of secant x plus tangent x, the absolute value of that, and then plus c. And here we have the final result for this question.